behalf of the entire M1 team here, we'd like to welcome you to M1 Concourse and thank you for bringing a wonderful, colorful, eclectic group of motorhomes coming back to their place of birth.
It's really exciting to host all of you right here at what was the Pontiac West Assembly Plant, where these rolled off the assembly line. In the late 1960s and early 1970s, the market for motorized recreational vehicles was dramatically increasing, which led General Motors to propose a unique vehicle. On February 7th, 1972, it was made official. The national press reported that GM was to play a major role in the motorhome market.
I was in the group that designed the motorhome before it was the motorhome group. I've got stories, test things that went good, test things that went bad. But somebody asked me the other day, what did you think when you were designing this motorhome that they'd be around in 50 years? I never thought about it.
Later on, when more of the pilots were available, my family was fortunate to be able to take some of them on vacation, and people followed us for miles and miles and miles so that they could get a good look at it when we stopped. People would ask questions, I'd kind of give them a little tour. Our son was about 9 years old at the time, and he got so used to hearing me give the tours that he would start giving tours himself. He was visiting us last week, and he happened to bring that up. He says, "Dad, those were fun days."
My name is Jared Cole. I'm the VP of the Eastern Division of GMC Motorhomes International. We're here celebrating 50 years of GMC motorhoming. The community behind them is what is really what keeps them going. We're thrilled to be here.
My father almost bought one of these coaches back when I was a teenager about 12 years ago. I found this coach and have been fixing it up and using it ever since. We put about 70,000 miles on it since we got it.
My name's Henry Van Wyk, and this is my wife, Sharon. We managed to pick this up last year when we bought this. And when I met the fella, the guy was a mechanic. He was doing everything mechanically that needed to be done to it. And then he just lost interest. So his wife got upset at him and said, "If you're not going to finish that, sell it." So that's where I stepped in. So we bought it, and we are loving it.
Now therefore be it resolved, do hereby, on behalf of the entire community, honor the legacy of the GMC motorhome and celebrate September 25th, 2023 as GMC Motorhome Day.